we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of KEALAS Rechargeable Cordless Handheld Vacuum Cleaner. Consists of the following features. 16,000 PA strong suction plus 750 grams ultra-lightweight design. This handheld vacuum delivers 16,000 PA powerful suction to efficiently pick up pet hair, crumbs, dust, debris and fine particles for deep cleaning. Weighing only 750 grams, it is ultralight and easy to maneuver even with one hand. You can clean for a long time without feeling fatigued, perfect for all-round cleaning around the house or car. Rechargeable cordless power with long runtime. Equipped with a quick charge USB port, this vacuum only takes about 4 hours for a full charge, delivering 20 to 30 minutes of continuous cordless cleaning. No tangled cords or limited power outlet restrictions, you can take it anywhere to handle unexpected messy quickly for indoor and outdoor scenarios. Large 580 ml dustbin plus dual filtration system. The 580 ml large capacity dustbin reduces the frequency of emptying, more convenient for one-time deep cleaning. It adopts a durable stainless steel mesh plus high-efficiency HEPA filter dual filtration system, which can lock 99.97% of fine dust and allergens, effectively avoid secondary pollution, provide fresher air after cleaning. Built-in LED light for blind spot cleaning. The built-in high-brightness LED light clearly illuminates dark gaps under furniture, between car seats and other hard-to-reach blind spots, so that hidden dust and debris are nowhere to hide, ensuring you get a thorough whole house cleaning without missing any dirt. Versatile for multiple cleaning scenarios. This compact portable handheld vacuum meets all your daily cleaning needs. It works perfectly as a car vacuum for car interior cleaning, a small hand vac for home sofa, bed, kitchen corner, and staircase cleaning, and can easily handle pet hair cleaning on furniture. It is your practical all-in-one portable cleaning helper. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.